Introducing Power Select technology on select Keystone LED drivers. With a simple slide of a switch, you can adjust output power. Each large user-friendly switch is integrated into the driver and offers multiple settings. Power Select offers flexible performance, skew reduction, and more versatility in the field. Our 0 to 10 volt LED dimming drivers are the first of many new power selectable options from Keystone, featuring 4 selectable output options, multiple form factors, low optical flicker, and built-in surge protection. The drivers are UL Class P listed and compliant with Supplement SF. We have 10 new SKUs that range from 15 watts to 75 watts, and each wattage option comes with a max output voltage of either 42 or 54 volts. All you have to do is set it and ship it. Each driver also includes an optional sticker that you can place over the switch to protect it from being switched in the field. With Power Select drivers, you can stock less SKUs and quickly give your customers the output they need. That's light made easy.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.